How to set home address in Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber application and wondering on how to set your home address on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now to set home address, tap onto the shopping icon at the top right here, select it. Then you will find something like this. Then tap on to the account right here, tap on it. Then here you can find your profile right here. Now tap on to your profile icon at the top right here, select it. Then here you can find home just right here. Now tap on it. Now simply tap on to the search bar and add your home address just like this. And simply tap on it just like this. Then here you can find your home location right here. You can also add your building type, APT, suite floor, business building name just like this, and tap on to save and continue. And that's it. This is how you can set home address in Uber Eats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.